Well, hello everyone. So, welcome back to our English discussion with us, BPEC. So, now we are about to discuss an interesting topic. So, have you known, guys, what about our topic tonight? Do you have idea? Okay, but before that, as usual, I would like to invite one of our member to introduce what BPEC is. So, Sister Sam, could you do the introduction, please?
Okay. Hello, smart listener. So, the presenter of, as a speaker today, so I would like to introduce you guys of what BPEC is. So, BPEC stand for Benteng Panjua English Club. So it's basically like the oldest English organization at Sulawesi, I think, and we have a lot of items in BPEC. So we have weekly Sunday meeting, and this is one of the core main thing that we have in BPEC, which is in there are a lot of activity we do. For example, like first we think like introduction for the new participants and newcomers, and then we have ice breaking. We have the discussion and debate. So in the discussion session, we discuss like a lot of new topic. For example, last week we talk about
Mental health.
Yeah, mental health. We talk about mental health, and then in the next session we debate about the mental health itself. And then the last thing we do, we have entertainment show, and then the announcement.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, and for the most important thing, this is free for everyone. Guys, if you want to improve and change your English skill, so you can come to Benteng and then gather with us with BPEC. So it's free for everyone.
Oh, nice information. So, guys, so if you are interested with us, please join us. BPEC, so we conduct our meeting offline every Sunday, yeah?
Sunday.
At 10 o'clock until 2 p.m.
Yep.
Okay, so yeah, can anyone guess what our topic is tonight? But yeah, let me give you some clues, yeah? Okay, our clues is the moment when you want to see good in front of people. So what you are going to do, Sam?
When we want to glue people, I think the first thing that we have to know ourselves first. For example, like make the branding or
branding.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, brother Alwin? Do you have any idea?
Of course, it's such easy clue.
Yeah. Okay, so come on, guess it.
I think it's I agree with our sister. It's about branding ourselves or others. Yeah.
Okay, so our next speaker. So,
Yes.
do you have any idea about our topic tonight?
No.
Really? Okay, so probably you have sort of
I
ideas.
just heard about the
Yeah.
topic today. It's talk about branding. Yeah, it's branding ourselves to
Sure.
sell something. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, actually, guys, all of your answers is almost correct. Almost correct, yeah. Okay.
So what exactly?
So our exact topic for tonight discussion is personal branding.
Wow.
So you guys, do you know what personal branding is, or have you heard this term before? Budi?
Actually, I have heard this thing before, but I don't know I've ever done it before, but because I have graduated from university. Of course, as a man who still trying to get a work or get a job, of course I have to like promoting myself
Oh, of course.
for the company, because that's the first thing you do if you want to join a company. Like you promoting yourself, you promoting like you are basically a personal branding is basically about promoting ourselves to get into maybe selling something, like maybe it's just like you're promoting yourself, and you're promoting yourself, and maybe about trying to like showing something that you have really good skill in something. Maybe like you have a really good skill about public speaking, or maybe like have a good skill about even organizer, or maybe as a MC or something, and anything else. You just have to like promoting yourself. But sometimes that's it.
Okay, thank you, brother Woody. It's a nice answer. So it's a complete answer. Okay, so let's go with our sister, Miss Sam. So, do you have any idea or picturization about personal branding? Our brother said before that it's such about promotion, self-promotion. So, what about you?
Okay, in my perspective, I think self-branding, branding in terms of, it's like I think it's the value that you have.
The value that you have.
So the people can know you by the value that you have shown to them. For example, that you are the one who have who wholehearted, who is very work harder, smart, who like to like extroverted. I think that's like the branding. You are the thing that's people know about you.
Nice.
So it's the people, even though even though you don't explain to them, but by just mention your name, that for example Samantha, it's just example. Samantha is such a very like extroverted by the people around them. So they Samantha known as a extrovert who is like, how to say, cerewet, talkative person. So I think that's self-branding.
That's self-branding is. Thank you, Miss Sam. So what about you, brother Alwin? Do you have any idea about it?
Sure. Well, personal branding
Yes.
is, in my opinion, is actually the art of showing your capabilities, ability, without telling them directly.
Oh,
I
nice.
said it's art because it requires innovation, creativity, and sort of things. Yeah, that's why at least it's authentic.
Authentic things. Okay, so based on all of your answers that you have stated before, guys, so what I can conclude is that personal branding is how you promote yourself, especially among the society, and then it requires, like our brother said before, like creativity or the art of self-promoting. So it's such a combination of skills, experience, or other things, and it build yourself, and then it makes people see you based on what you promote. So that's the thing that I can conclude from this discussion. So, brother Woody, do you think that in today's era, personal branding is important?
Yeah, I think it's really important because in this era, everything requires personal branding. Because if you don't have personal branding, people will not know you, will not know what is your value. So just like Samantha said before, because the key about personal branding is your value. So let's just say, like, if you want to like get into something, like you say want to join a company, of course the first thing the company will see is your personal branding, like maybe your CV, your resume, or maybe your portfolio. So that's the thing they will see first. So that's why building a personal branding is really is really is a must, yeah. Because just like maybe in university, you join a organization, or maybe you join a volunteering, and then after that you join maybe an internship and other things. So yeah, they will make you they will make yourself really high value. So like like if you really have a good public speaking or anything else, it will set up your value to be too high, and then it will benefits you to get into something that you really want.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because it's really important thing, because if you don't have really personal branding, it's like people will think you have no value at all.
Oh, so it means that it's totally important, especially in improving our career, getting job. But what about in our social life? Do you think that personal branding is totally important in our social life?
Yes, of course, because let's just say, because when people like get to know each other, of course they will show the good side of them.
Okay.
Because if you showing your bad side to people will not know. People will not welcome to you. Like they don't want to be friends to you. So that's why, as a human being, we have to like show them good things. But just like you said, we have to show them the way, just our authentic, not faking it.
Yeah.
Because if you like being fake to everyone will make up. Everyone will disclose you.
Oh.
So that's why.
Yeah.
Personal branding is good as long as it's authentic, just like Alvin said.
Yeah.
Without being fake, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Brother Budi, for your answer. So, yeah, what I can get from our brother's statement is that personal branding is totally important, yeah, especially in our daily life, because it promotes our capability, as well as it promotes in how we make or create relationship with others. So yeah, I think that's all about our discussion about personal branding. We are going to take a break for probably around 10 to 15 minutes. So smart listener, don't go anywhere. So we are going to back soon. Bye bye.
Stay tuned.